Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about the Mipmap folder and the XML folders. The Mipmap folder is a special resource directory used for storing launcher icons for your Android application. The term Mipmap stands for Multi-Density Image Map, and it's designed to store versions of the launcher icon optimized for different screen densities. The primary purpose of the Mipmap folder is to store launcher icons. So if you click on IC_launcher, this is our launcher icon, which are the app icons that appear on the device's home screen and in the app drawer. And this is the file IC_launcher.xml file, and it's of type adaptive icon. You can set the background, you can choose any drawer, asset, or any other icons. For example, this, or the gradient background. You can see the gradient background is applied to this icon. Also the foreground, I can set it to this, and now the apps icon is designed like this. The XML folder in Android Studio is used to store XML files that can be used for various purposes in Android application. These files can contain data, configuration settings, or other information that your app needs to access during runtime. The XML folder is commonly used for storing configuration files, data files, or resource files that are expressed in XML format. For example, the network configuration, storing network-related configurations. Also, this folder is used to store preferences for your app using XML and for storing data in XML format that your app reads during runtime. To create a new XML file, click on this package, New, and XML resource file. Here you create your new XML file. I'll name it as network_configuration. And this is your new XML file. Go to split mode, and here we go. This is our XML file.